Shoot with Taxi. He the best. He gonna make you feel confident.
But yeah, man. And it's like the damn nature don't want me to win. Cause what is up, you guys? It's your boy Taxi Aliens. We're back at it again, another man. I got that case in the back. Link in the description down below. You guys already know the vibes, man. We're here doing another nature shoot. You guys like when I get outside. You guys like the nature. So I'm out here doing another nature shoot, man. You know what I'm saying? Big vibe. Let's see who we have today. Okay, I'm tripping over a lot of vinage, a lot of stuff on the floor. It's too much going on. All right. Who do we have today?
Nay.
We have Nay. Nay, what's your Instagram?
Nay the Brat.
Yeah. You guys already advised, so we're shooting with Nay the Brat today. I'll put her Instagram above her head as well as down below in the description as well. Let's get it, man. We're gonna just do a little bit of a shoot around, a little behind the scenes, a little shoot with me. We're in an undisclosed location, all right? Cause y'all be location sniping, but you can't tell where we're at, can you? We're in the jungle, all right? She came to me with a Tarzan theme, said that she wanted to do a little Tarzan vibe. What's up, you guys? Oh, not even what's up, you guys. We're back at it again. Not even we're back at it again. We're shooting. We're actually shooting this time. So I got my flash. I'm trying to like see, cause I got it right here. And like, as you guys can see, I have my two 8200s. And when I was telling you guys about like the mod, when you take the two 8200s and like you take the two 8200s, right? And you basically kind of put them together to make an 8400, like super powerful. And I forgot my beauty disc today. So we're just shooting like straight raw flash. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see exactly how this goes and how this comes out. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna try to put the pictures up on the screen, like right around here or something like that, to show you guys how they look. I'm about to take some test shots. I'm always scared when I take test shots. Every time I take shots, I get a little frantic, But we're gonna see how they come out, man. Why is this not coming off of the lens? Oh, there we go. I got a little dust in there. A little something, a little dusty. I don't know what's going on. Let's see, hold on. Ooh, I can see y'all are in focus. Y'all boys look good. I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all boys look good. And you out here, yeah. Hold on, let me see. So I'm gonna try to move my thing around, boom, take a little photo. Y'all look good. You ever look at yourself in the mirror and just look at yourself, like just look at yourself in the mirror. Like go to the mirror right now, pause the video, and go look at how good you look. Or just go on your phone, like just swipe down on the video real quick. I give you permission, it's okay. Swipe past all the ads, skip them real quick, and look at yourself. You look good today, man. You're beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Don't let anything hold you down or hold you back. Just keep on pushing. Yeah. All right, bet. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna do a little testy tester. A testy tester, all right? Let's see, hold it. Bam, testy tester. I gotta go up on my power because it's not enough. It's not enough pushing out. Let me see. A little testy tester. Both of them on 8. Ooh, hold it. Ooh. Y'all, this raw flash. This is raw flash, okay? This is a little test shot. We're gonna show her the test shot. You're gonna see what she think. Oh, hold on. Bam.
Oh yes, they
Come
already
on.
look good.
Like what? Don't look at them dark ones, but look at that. Like, look at that. Like,
Yes.
This is a raw flash, bro. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show you what I mean by a raw flash. Look at this. Y'all ready? Look, this is a raw flash. So when I say raw flash, basically it means that I don't have any diffusion on here. It's a raw flash with no diffuser. It's not blanking out any light. I made it harsh on purpose so that way it can show and cast as if it's the sunlight. So if you guys want to make it seem like the sunlight, this is a little hack I be using. I went viral lately, so it like unlocked a new part of me, if that made sense. Like my videos have been going viral, so it's like, it unlocks something in you. Cause you feel like you're getting closer to your like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm getting closer to my goal of being an influencer. So it's like, I'm getting closer and closer. Like I'm almost monetized now and shit. It's a lot, bro. And it's like, damn, like it's like that shit came dumb quick. Not even quick, like it takes 8 years to become an overnight success, but it took me 3. But I'm not even there yet still, but I'm 3 years in the making. Y'all know the vibes, man. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Ooh. Guys, we're emulating sunlight right now. This looks good. Put the left, like turn to your side a little bit. Put one leg up.
One leg up.
Yep, there you go, like that. There you go.
My balance.
Yeah, don't fall. Brush your leg off on the left side. Left side, left one. Left leg. Yeah, there you go, right there. Yep, there you go. Just like that. Yep, there you go. There you go, yep. Hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I got my ISO at 80, you guys. I'm about to go to 100. I got my f-stop at 2.8 now, and I'm gonna go to 250 for my shutter. Ooh, shit. Look off in the distance that way. Yep. There we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Kind of like put your hand like in your hair, like play with your hair a little bit. Yep. There we go, yep. This is like raw right here. I love this. There we go. Ooh, yeah.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. Ooh.
Not even trying. Kind of like go forward with it and then like kind of push your like, yeah, like so shut up, like arch basically. There we go. Yep, hold it. There we go. Yes. Now look at me. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yep. I ain't gonna lie. I'm hyping it up too much. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna say too much. Hold on, boy. I feel like you about to love these.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Come on, what?
I love the background.
Right? Come on.
Yes.
Like,
Yeah.
oh, let's get some more. Them look good. Them look good, y'all. Them look good. It's the raw flash, bro. I ain't never did it before. Maybe God was like, you know what, you gotta try it out, cause like you never did it before. I never did it before, and I was like, damn. And I had forgot it at the house, bro. I forgot my shit at the crib, and I was like, damn. I forgot my shit at the crib, and I was like, it happens. And I was like, damn. All right, bet. There we go. Yep. Yes. There we go. Yep. So lead with that hand. Go out more, like here. Yeah, there we go, like that. There we go, like that. And then that hand, yep, right there, like that, yep. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yes. Yes, Nay. Give it to them, please. Give me some, like, show a little bit of teeth. Like, push out more. There we go, yeah, like that, yeah. There we go, yep. Yeah, literally like that.
Okay.
Bet.
Just stay like this?
Yeah, just don't fall. But, like,
okay.
Try to make it look like you're relaxed. You know what I'm saying? Like, maybe, like, put, like, your hand on your knee. Yeah, like that. It's like you look like you're not even bothered by this pose. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like you're just like here on some regular shit. Yep. There we go. Yep. Hold it. Yes. Look at me. Right hand in your hair. Right hand. Mm-hmm. Now left hand, and kind of look down at us. Yep. Hold it. There we go. All right, take a breather.
I like them.
Right? Yeah, right? It's like, bro, it's different. Let me think. We could play with the bamboo low key. I don't know what the fuck. Because there's like a peak of light right there, right? It's like a peak of light. Like, why not on some shit? Location change. All right, you guys, we're at the next spot. We're about to go ahead and cook it up. You know what I'm saying? Cook it up. I gotta set up my light. See where I need this bit to be. Probably like right up in here. Probably gonna have it angled down a little bit at her. There we go. I love this damn these stands. Probably angle it down a little bit. I'm trying to like go against the sunlight. She has sunlight on her back, so I'm gonna like go against that sunlight that's coming from the back and like kind of like try to make my own sunlight. You're looking like, who the fuck are you talking to? Is it aiming down at you?
Huh?
Can you see the light bulbs? Are they aiming like right at you? Yeah. So this, if I ever ask you that, yeah, this is how it's supposed to look. So, ooh, yeah. You're gonna like these. You can put the leg up more. There you go, yeah. Try not to die. Try like, can you do like this? Like try like that. Okay. And I don't even know if you could put 2 legs. If you could, try it. If you can't, then don't. Oh my God. See, that's why, see, you're good. You're good, bro. Ow.
I feel like this.
Yeah, is that comfortable or no? Not at all, right? Try it though, let's see. Look right here. Hold it. One more. All right, you go down. Now you could turn the other way. Turn the other way. Yeah, like flip, like turn around, yeah. Yeah, like that, and I look over your side, yeah. Yeah, like that, like that. There we go. Yeah, look at me. There you go. There we go, yes. Look off that way. Turn your torso towards me more. Yeah, boom, and I'll look straight. Yep, there we go, yep. There we go. Yes. Yeah! Left hand in here, torso towards me. Put your right hand like behind you.
Behind me? Like this or?
Nope. Try to, can you touch it or no?
What?
Can you like turn a little bit more. Turn a little bit more. Turn your body a little bit more. Yeah, like that, like that, like that, yeah. There we go, yep. There we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. That. Okay, let's show you.
Oh. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Right? It's like, what? Like you kind of had to come over here.
Yeah, over here look nice.
Right? Even these is cool though. I ain't gonna lie. These look good.
Yeah.
These look good. Right? Yeah. Bet. All right. Let's You have any more poses you want to do right here? Anything you can think of? Oh, lay down.
Lay down.
Try and lay back. Try and lay back.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to keep my balance.
Yeah, like that, like that, like that. Literally, yeah, that's great. That's great. That's great. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Let me see, bro. And it's like the damn nature don't want me to win because trying to bite my ass every chance they get. Fuck. Let's see. Try to put one leg up, like one leg on it. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. I'm gonna try to go and raw you guys. Let's see. Yeah, y'all see what the fuck just happened. I don't want to even. Don't talk to me. There we go. Bro, I'm gonna leave here with so many bites. They don't like me here, bro. Oh dang! I ain't got the light turned your way. Damn. Oh. They make me nervous. I'm sorry. I was like, oh my god, what's happening right now? It's like it's a lot going on at one time. Jesus, bro. They not leaving me alone. Hold it up. There we go. Left hand in here. Left hand, left hand. There you go. Yep. Now like turn to the back and kind of look over your shoulder. That way, turn that way. All right, you guys, man, there it goes, bro. There's a lot of bugs out here. This is the type of stuff that a lot of people don't document and won't show because all you guys see is the final product and the finish and the beauty of the pictures. Okay, but we want to show you guys the knit, the grit, the grime, everything that you have to do to get it out the physical mud because that's what we're standing in right now. So yeah, we're out here getting it. We're getting bit up for y'all. So guys, go and follow the Instagram, taxi.png. Her Instagram will also be linked into the photos. When you guys see these photos, you'll see her. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna put her Instagram above her head as well as down below in the description in the comment section. Go get off my camera. I'm trying to protect y'all. Y'all see that? Like they're trying to bite y'all and shit. I'm trying to help y'all out. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, man, if you guys like this, share this video with a photographer or a videographer or a model. You know what I'm saying? That could use some of the information that I used in here and see it as helpful. And if you don't do that, just like and comment and maybe even subscribe to help me out a little bit because I'm trying to get monetized. You know what I'm saying? But you got anything to say?
Shoot with Taxi. He the best. He gonna make you feel confident.
But yeah, man, without further ado, we're out. Taxi!
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need it.